School dances are great, but sometimes something happens that can catch you off guard.
Hi, Nicole.
Hi.
Boy, Lyle, you're really uptight.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna break up with Vicky tonight, man.
Are you kidding? She's so hyperactive, she'll launch herself straight into orbit if you split up with her.
I know, Jeff, but her overreacting's just driving me crazy. Besides, I finally got tickets to that Rock Monsters concert next week, and I want to ask Nicole Cartwright.
Good luck, man, because you're gonna need it.
Thanks.
Hi, Vicky.
There you are, Lyle. I've been looking all over for you. I thought something terrible had happened, and I told myself, well, he's probably at the punch bowl, so I came over here to the punch bowl, and here you are. Phew, is it hot in here?
Vicky, there's something I need to say to you. Hey, Vicky. You know, Vicky, sometimes, well, relationships change. And, well, people need to... See, people need to... What I'm trying to say, Vicky, is that I think it's time you and I...
My goodness, Lyle, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. It's just the hiccups, you know. I get them when I'm nervous. I'll be fine.
Oh, this is terrible. I've got to do something.
What are you doing?
I was trying to scare you. I thought that would cure your hiccups.
Yeah, well, anyway, Vicky, I need to talk to you.
Oh, hold your breath. Hold your breath.
Okay, I will in just a minute. Please, Vicky.
Hold your breath.
Okay. Just don't scream again, all right?
I hope this works. Something about the flow of oxygen or something.
Hi, Vicky. Is Lyle okay?
Oh, Sandy, thank goodness you're here. We were just standing here talking, and all of a sudden, he gets the hiccups. What are we gonna do, Sandy?
Well, my Aunt Isabel has always had me to breathe into a paper bag.
Oh, good idea. Here's one.
No. Hey, Vicky,
Here,
please.
Now keep this over your head and breathe in and out, in and out.
Vicky, you're really making what I have to say a lot more difficult. Please, Vicky.
I don't think you understand the dance you're in, Lyle. Oh, this is not working. What if he gets into a coma or something?
Water! My Uncle Dwayne said you should drink water.
Sandy, would you please keep your relatives out of this?
Here's some punch. This will have to do. We have to use a whole bowl. It's an emergency.
No, guys.
Okay,
I don't think this is such a good idea.
But my Uncle Dwayne never said anything about punch.
Wait.
Sorry.
Okay. Break up the shenanigans. What seems to be the problem here?
Well, sir, I was just trying to tell Vicky.
Kyle's got the hiccups. I think he needs some paramedics.
Oh, nonsense. He just needs to be upside down. At least that's what my grandmother used to say. Come on.
No.
Sir, grab a leg.
Such a good idea, sir.
Here you go. Make a wish.
No. Please, Vicky, you've got to stop this, all right? You're making everybody crazy, especially me. You've got to learn to... Hey, sir, it worked. Yeah, my hiccups are gone.
Just hang on.
Vicky, sorry, Vicky, but we're through. All right, I said it.
What?
Go.
This is the worst evening of my life. I'll never forget this. Never.
Oh, come on, Vicky,
Young lady,
come back.
come back over here.
Vicky, please. Nicole. Hi. I'm Lyle Lieberman. I'm in your Spanish 2 class.
Right.
Hola. I was wondering if maybe, next week, if you're not doing anything, if maybe you'd like to...
Here. Listen to this.
Nicole? Nicole, do you want to go to the Rock Monsters concert Saturday night?
Sure, sounds great.
Cool. Later, Lyle.
Bye, Lyle.
Wait! Nicole!